Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. This is how to install Windows 8.1 in VMware. So first thing you're going to do is create a new virtual machine. Go for typical. I will install the operating system later. I'm going to select Microsoft Windows and Windows 7. You're going to rename it to Windows 8.1, Windows 8 or whatever. Next, I'm going to leave it at 60. Store it as file, customize hardware, go to new CD/DVD, use ISO image file, browse, Windows 8.1 English, close, finish, and I'll leave the link to download the ISO in the description below. Now power on the virtual machine. So you're going to go to the link in the description and get the product key. Alright, so put that in. You have to put it in manually, but you can't copy and paste. So then click Next. I accept the license terms. Next. Custom, install only Windows. Select the only unallocated space. Click Next, and then it will do the setup. Okay, well thank you very much for watching the video everyone. This has been doing its thing for like half an hour now and it's still not done anything. It will work, it's because I've got like a million VMs currently pending to do stuff. But it will work. When you get on, it'll install drivers and everything should be up to date. So thank you very much for watching everybody and see you in the next video.